So here I have the module from Waveshare. This is the 2.1-inch screen here. All right. I have the BMP 280 pressure sensor from Adafruit. You will need to solder this to change it to address 76, as the software will expect it to be on address 76. So you take this, you plug in the connector over here. All right, and then you plug it in over here. And these cables only plug in one way, so make sure you're plugged in the right way before you don't force it in. All right, this UART USB port is just for the serial logger. So what you will want to do for flashing is plug it into the USB. And then it will load a default firmware. I've already flashed this on here. So what I'm going to do to get it into a mode to flash, and you will need to do this from factory too, is you hold down boot, and while holding that down, you press reset. You let go of reset, but you continue holding boot, and then you can let go, and you should just have a black screen. Now, what you can do is open up ESP web tool for flashing. Okay, it needs to be in Chrome. And what you're going to do is go ahead and change this to this baud rate, connect, and it's going to be this. All right, and it's going to connect successfully. And then I am going to connect to, sorry, not connect to, I'm going to expand this out, and I'm going to select this firmware. All right, and this is going to need to be 00x0, and then you're going to press program. All right, and then you should see this. Back to the board right here. We're going to just power cycle it. I'm going to press the reset button. And if we're lucky, it comes on. Yep, I don't have the GPS module in, but I should have the altimeter, but it doesn't work because it is set to the wrong pin. So all you need to do is connect those two solder joints. And so what I did is essentially the same thing, but I just did it in a different method. And so now it no longer shows the in-op message for the altitude as it's receiving the altitude data. So if I were to take this up or down or put it in a vacuum chamber or something, it would change. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate that for you, but you can see here it's reading our local elevation right now. If I don't know what our QNH is right here, but yeah, and that's it. And it will accept power from either USB port.